Rarex is in a trading halt until Monday the 14th of February. The trading halt is due to the release of exploration results. Perhaps the results will be good, seeing as they requested a trading halt. Keep an eye out, as this may potentially create a trading opportunity. And I would suggest subscribing for news alerts. I pasted a link in the description below. Presumably we'll be seeing results for the pictured drill hole, as well as this pictured drill hole. Unfortunately, as I have not seen the results, you will need to make your own determination if they are positive or not. Recently, Rarex has posted some really good results, such as broad, relatively high-grade intercepts that are close to the surface. However, the share price has had limited response. I suspect, however, that recent exploration success should result in a significant resource upgrade. You can see from this slide that Rarex already has quite a significant resource, with decent grades, which are further complemented by niobium credits. Rarex could be quite comparable with Hastings, for example. Hastings is much more advanced and is nearing the construction phase. It has about 10 times the market capitalization of Rarex. But this could simply highlight the upside potential of Rarex. And you should be able to notice that the share price of rare earth developers has hardly moved, whereas NdPr prices have absolutely skyrocketed. And the market is expected to remain in a perpetual deficit, unless permanent magnet motors and generators see significant erosion of market share by their non-permanent counterparts, which isn't really perceived to be that big a risk at the present. And Hastings also suggests a supply deficit. The key factors for demand are the increasing EV penetration and wind generation. Rarex is also situated in a favourable location. I really think that the niobium component should not be overlooked, as MB grades are about half that of ASM and 70% that of Globe's. Globe recently published a $1 billion MPV for their niobium project, which could imply up to 50 times upside for GBE. I suggest subscribing to GBE for notifications, as the share price could move if they secure offtakes. Globe assumes a $55 per kilogram price for MB205, which could imply substantial upside to Globe's MPV. As Rarex has pointed out, the current niobium price is $93 per kilogram, which, if included in their basket price, could lift their basket price to $100 per kilogram, which puts their basket price way in front of Hastings. I consider Rarex to be a good long-term investment, and I am uncertain, but I remain optimistic that they could bring this into production, especially considering the government is establishing a $2 billion loan facility for critical resources.